Hello students, hope you're all doing well. Today my topic is decimals and we shall be learning the place values in decimals, that is tenths, hundredths and thousandths. Alright, I have a few questions and we have to fill in the missing numbers here. But before I start filling in the missing numbers, I would like to just go through how we put those numbers in the correct place. So in order to do that, we need to first go through place value. Now here I have a number given. All right, my whole number is 54 point. There's a point here, 3, 7 and 6. Now just think of the first figure, and the first figure is your 3. Now the numbers that are onto the right side of your decimal point, the right side is this 3, 7, 6. So the first figure that you see is a fraction, okay? So the first number that you see is a tenth, which is 0.3. That is 3 upon 10, since it is standing on the tenths place. Now moving on to the second digit, that is 7, and 7 basically is onto the second place, the second place of the after the decimal point. So it's going to be 0.07, and if I ask you to write this as a fraction, you should be writing this as 7 upon 100. The last digit that you see is 6. 6 is standing in the third place. Third place is your thousandths. So thousandths, it means that it's going to be written as 0.006. Since it is standing on the thousandths place, so it's going to be written on the third place. And my denominator is 1,000 here. All right. So let's get started now with the missing numbers. Now filling in, how to fill in the missing numbers. Let's have a look at the question that I have for you. Now just have a look at this. Now we have 6 standing on the first place, that is your tenths place, tenths. So what do you write in your filling your this gap, the blank? You will be writing 10 here. All right, because 6 is basically standing on the 10th place. They have already done the second part for you. The question has already got this answer for you, 4 upon 100. Fair enough. Moving on to the third digit, and the third digit is standing on the thousandths place. So how would you write the third digit? It stands on the thousandth, so it's going to be written as 5. All right. Let's now move on to the second question. Your whole number is 2 and there is no tenth here. So there's no tenth written for you since it's a 0. It has no value written there. So tenth is not existing here. Moving on to the second digit, which is your hundredths place. Hundredths place, we have 3 here. So 3 should go on top of 100. 3 upon 100. Moving on to the last one. 7 is on the thousandths place. So 7 will be written as 7 upon 1000. All right. If I move on to the third question, I see there's a whole number 5. And my 6 is a tenth. My 7 is a hundredth. And my third number 0 is a thousandth. So I have actually 3 digits there, 670, which will be filled as it is 670. All right, the fraction, which is the denominator, is going to be 1,000. All right, we have a 3-digit number here. We're going to just bring this 3-digit number here. Let's move on to the fourth question. Over here, we can see the whole number. Right, 40 is your whole number, and 7 basically is standing on the hundredths place, but there is no tenth here. So what will I do now? I will write down 100 below, okay, because it is standing on the 100th place. So I'm going to write down 100 here. The last question here, we have 200. Now 200 basically is your whole number. So whole number is already there for you. Plus, what is there in the tenths? There is no tenths. So we move on to the second place, that is the 100th. 100th, we have 3 standing on it. So we only have 3 standing on the 100. There's no 1000th, there's no 10th. We only have 3 there. All right, so I will be sharing a few more questions with you. Hope you will do it the way as taught to you here. And so let's get started with a few questions. Do it in a rough notebook or in a writing pad, and do share answers with me. All right, bye for now. All right, I hope you have understood what I explained to you just now, and I have shared 4 questions. So let's see if you can do all of them independently. So best of luck to you all.